Hi, boys and girls. How are you? This is your coach, Noel, and I'm so excited to be working with you today on this math lesson. Parents, I want to welcome you. Boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started, okay? What we're working on today is multiplying a one-digit number by multiples of 10, okay? So let's go ahead and get started, okay? And basically what I want to show you is that if you just ignore that 0 and we do 1 times 1, we know that 1 times 1 is 1. And then all we do is we just add the 0 at the end. Okay, so 1 times 10 is, 10 times 1 is 10. And the same can be said for doing the opposite, switching these numbers. Therefore, 1 times 10 also equals 10. Again, let me show you. Here we have 10 times 2, okay? We know that 1 times 2 equals 2. There you go, and then we just add the 0, okay? And you probably know your 10 multiplication facts already, okay? So this is probably easy for you, but as you get to the other numbers, it's going to be very, very helpful to use this strategy. So 10 times 2 equals 20, and the same can be said for 2 times 10 equals 20. The next one, 10 times 3 equals 30, 3 times 10 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. Okay? Now let's take a look here again. 10 times 5, we can just do 1 times 5. 1 times 5 is 5, and then we just add the 0 at the end. So 10 times 5 is 50, and 5 times 10 is 50. Okay? Next one, 10 times 6 is 60, and 6 times 10 is 60. Next one, 10 times 7 is 70, and 7 times 10 is 70. Here we go again. Let's go ahead and just go over this again. 10 times 8. We can do 1 times 8, which is 8, and then just add the 0 at the end. 10 times 8 is 80, okay? And 8 times 10 is 80. Next one, 10 times 9 is 90, and 9 times 10 is 90. And finally, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 is 100. But let's look at this one. Here we have 1 times 1 equals, we know that 1 times 1 equals 1, and we have 2 zeros, so I just add the 2 zeros right here at the end. 10 times 10 equals 100, okay? And like I said, this strategy is going to be useful for you when we're multiplying different numbers because you probably know your tens already. And if you don't, certainly do practice them, okay, boys and girls? We have to practice building our math fluency because this is going to be helpful for you as you get older, as you start taking more difficult classes, okay? So that's pretty much it, boys and girls. Not bad, right? Easy, easy. Parents, I want to thank you again, and boys and girls, we'll see you very soon at the next lesson. In the meantime, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.